Welcome, here I've got INFINIX S5 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner to this button. When we pick this we can open the advanced camera settings, and here we have the location option, so it allows us to save the information about the place where we take a picture in the details about it. By using this button we can easily turn it off and turn it on like that as we need. Also here the important information is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters to make it work. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.